Every January, 92% of e-commerce entrepreneurs make the same critical mistake. They chase last year winning products into a saturated zero-margin bloodbath. And the 8% who don't actually follow trends. Their entire January is based on a different system, one that looks for new demand, not old winners. And in 2026, that system is not about hustle, it's about intelligence. And at the center of that system is the Doba AI Hub, a set of tools within the Doba platform. Alright, so in this video, we're talking about the tool that started all, the one that changes the game before you even thinking about building a store. Okay, so first off, I will talk about the Doba AI Picker. This is the engine that powers your strategic product intelligence. Okay, so take a look at it. We are inside the Doba AI Picker. Instead of browsing random categories, we are going to use intelligence filters that align with our strategic thesis. For example, first let's search for functional florist product focused on target self-optimization. So I will start with a broad category like health and wellness and then drill down. AI Picker lets me filter by niche attributes and rising demands. Now let's look for things like posture character, ergonomics, cognitive focus. Now look at these results. I'm seeing smart posture sensor that clip your shot and buzz when you slouch, and that's a specific solution. Now here's the precision kitchen scale with a micronutrient tracking app built in, perfect for specialized diets. And look at this blue light filtering glasses with focus enhancing lens technology. And really, these are perfect examples of functional florists. They are not general wellness products, they are surgical tools for daily life. AI Picker has pulled these from thousands of suppliers using precise high intent signals. Now let's test sustainable pragmatism. We want real solution, not greenwashing, right? So let's see what's here. Excellent. Here is a modular cleaning kit with concentrated refill tablets that eliminates plastic bottles. Here's a line of bamboo toothbrush with replaceable heads. The handle is designed to last. And this is a great find, upcycle fabric total bags made from reclaimed materials. Notice the key difference: sustainability is built into the product model, refills, repairs, reclaimed materials. Doba AI Pickers helps you cut through the noise and find suppliers already operating in the circular economy space. You are not just selling a product, you are selling a value aligned system. Now finally, let's explore Physical 2.0, the hybrid digital physical experience. And this is where it gets exciting. Check this out: an AI powered jump rope that connects to an app to track form and calories, an augmented reality glow for kids where dinosaurs come to life through a tablet, a smart indoor garden kit with an app that tells you exactly when to water and fertilize. And these products have a physical component you can hold, but their core value is unlocked digitally. Using AI Picker to search for terms like connected or smart surfaces, these innovative hybrids that command higher margins and create sticky customer experience. And now is the time, and this is where AI Picker really shines: category momentum. Check out this analytic view. It shows how fast categories are moving. Look at home organizers and pet tech here. Not only are they big, but the numbers of new suppliers and monthly orders is steadily rising, and that's where momentum lives. Now let's go deeper into pet tech. I'm filtering for rising or new arrivals in this growing category. These highlights products that are gaining sudden supplier attention, a strong signal of demand. Now check this out: a self-operating ball launcher with a built-in camera marked as new. And this is the point of focus. You are not looking at all pet products, you are looking at how momentum products inside fast-growing categories align with your strategy. Now, the next thing you have to do is, after getting a shortlist from AI Picker, the next step is Doba Unified Dashboard. Now, here you can compare trusted suppliers side by side. Unit cost, MOQs means minimum order quantity, estimated shipping times, and this is how you find the right balance of cost, speed, and reliability. Now comes the most important step: ordering a sample. With your Doba subscription, you can contact suppliers directly, shortlist your top 1 or 1-2 for order samples. And this is non-negotiable business cost. You need to touch the product, check the packaging, test the quality. Does it match the listing? Would you be proud to ship this to a customer? AI gives you the map, but you still have to walk the ground. Finally, let's talk about viability. Your landed cost is the product cost plus shipping. A strong 2026 benchmark is a 3:1 ROS. If your landed cost is $15, you should be confident selling it for $45 or more. Your Doba subscription supports the entire discovery and vetting process, while the suppliers is paid for product and shipping. And this is how you build a real system. You move from chasing trends to stopping them. The intelligence layer that makes this possible is the Doba AI Hub, powered by AI Picker. It turns a chaotic hunt into a planned, data-driven process. So what are you waiting for? Stop looking for last year winners. Check the link in the description to access the Doba AI Hub. Try this exact structure, and I will see you in this next video. And before that, if you have any questions related to this video and regarding Doba AI, then definitely comment down below. And if you want to learn more about AI tool like this, then definitely watch this video now. And before going, hit that subscribe button and that like button too, and share this video with your dropshipper friends who want to get into dropshipping too.